Welcome to Happiness with Hema, presenting this special video on DIY Eye Care Serum for under eye wrinkles, dry eyes, burning eyes, and many eye related problems. Enjoy watching and don't forget to share with your loved ones. This one beauty hack for your beautiful eyes. Somebody have asked this question and I'm very keen to answer this. If we run out of eye cream at home, is there any way that we can self-create one? Well, the answer is yes, you can. The short answer is with the help of castor oil. And well, if you wish to make a nice homemade eye serum for yourself, this is a way. All you need is 2 spoons of cold pressed almond oil, 1 spoon of castor oil, and 1 or 2 drops of any kind of essential oil. I prefer lavender essential oil. Mix all together and shake it well. And you will find consistency like this. Now, every time before going to bed, just take 2 drops and take your ring finger and apply under your eyes. And after that, give nice massage to your eyes. And trust me, your eyes are gonna love it. One last parting tip. Take castor oil, just 1 drop of castor oil. Okay? Just one drop, and apply it on top of your eyelids. On top of your eyelid like this. And you'll see your eyes will relax, feel very relaxed whole night because castor oil have a special quality of penetrating very deeply and give a nice circulation around your eyes. So this will work wonder and magical to your eyes and good night's sleep. And rest of the oil, whatever is left, you can put it on your navel point. You can put it around your ears like this and massage rest of your hand and sleep. You will love this eye hack for sure. Do share this hack with other family members because this is 100% effective and tried and tested. Because this method is an age-old method and I'm using it for many years. So any symptom like you have a watery eyes, dry eyes, burning eyes, try applying castor oil on your eyelid and this eye serum for your under eyes. Yes, you can thank me later. If you haven't subscribed my channel so far, consider subscribing it right now. Comment, like, share and follow for more such videos. Take care. Thank you for watching.